Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be talking about a very common plant. And you guys must already know this plant. But no, today I'll not talk about any of the care. Instead, I'll be talking about all the problems that you might face with this plant during the summer season. Yes, this is no other than the hibiscus plant. It flowers well during the summer season, but the flower size is so small. It's a very common problem, so there's nothing to worry about. As my mom was checking this plant, she found some insecticides. Yes, this is no other than the mealybug. They are small in size, but they do a lot of harm to the plant. They might not do anything during the primary stage, but it will slowly cause some problems for your plants. So do not cause much harm. Make sure to check your plants every day. If you see your mealybugs in the primary stage, it is very easy to remove them. All you have to do is lay your plant down on the ground. And then take a brush and slowly brush off these mealybugs off your plants. You have to lay down your plants on the ground because the mealybugs will fall into your plant's pot. And if they fall, they will harm your plant again. So if you remove them during the primary stage, it will be very easy. That's why make sure to check your plants regularly. But what should you do if you find a lot of insect attack on your plant? For this, you have to spray some insecticides. But as we do organic gardening, we will spray organic insecticides. For that, you can spray Bioenzyme, neem oil or garlic chili paste. If you are giving Bioenzyme, make sure to dilute it well. Only 5 ml Bioenzyme in 1 liter of water. If you spray Bioenzyme for 2 to 3 days, all the mealybugs will be removed. In the same way, you can spray neem oil or garlic chili paste. Just make sure to dilute them. But how do we prevent mealybugs in the first place? Make sure that the waters do not store on the leaves of your plant when you watered them. Try to water directly on the soil. But just look at this plant. This plant is so unhealthy. And the leaves' colors have faded already. There's a lot of reasons for this to happen. One is that you're overwatering your plant. Second could be that you're giving your plants very less nutrients. But I think our problem here was that we watered our plant a little too much. Because it is the summer season, that's why we are overwatering our plants a little. That's why we just aerated the plant a little. Make sure that you also water your plants when the topsoil is dry. And if you want, you can give some manure for nutrition in your plants. Now let's take a look at the third plant. This plant has an even worse health. This plant's only problem is that the growth is stunted and the leaves are dry and they fall off the plant. Its cause could be heat stress. Because of the heat stress, it cannot take any of the nutrients. So because of the heat stress, make sure to give some mulch to your plants. And if possible, make sure to give some manure for the nutrients. And keep on watering when required. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.